Hey guys, what's up? In this video I am going to show you how to make a number counter with jQuery. So this is a website. When I am scrolling down there, and you can see there is counting when I am into this about area. Okay, I'm refreshing it again. Wait a minute. Yeah, it is again counting. Okay, so when I'm in this page, I'm refreshing the page and I'm in this about section and it's counting. Okay, this is a very simple plugin which I'm going to show you how to make this thing. So let's go and learn how to make this thing. So now I am in my code editor, and as you can see I added a new folder, and in this folder I added some index, jQuery min 2.4 min and jquery.Counter.min.js file, which I download it from that GitHub page. Google it, jquery.counter.min.js, and click on this link and go to this GitHub page, and here it is. Download it, and you need this file, jquery.counter.min.js or normal version, and I'm going to add this thing. Okay, so jquery counter.min.js, and one more file you need is waypoint.min.js. So I'll copy this waypoint.min.js file from there, and then paste it over there, and in my HTML I'll add some text and all clients and span class counter 400 clients project, and all work something random just, and this is 3 4 20, and you need to add this code, jQuery extra parameters. Copy this and paste it there. Okay, this is the time. You can change it. I change it to 2 seconds, and this is the dot counter class. This should be matched with that span class. Okay, this is important. So now I am in this page, and you can see this is counting. Okay, so if you want to add something text like random, you can't add it there. Okay, you need to make a separate span, and like plus or span more to come. You can see this is added there. Okay, so that's how we can make this kind of plugin using. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay.